together with the SHAPE-ID 2020 project, we are running this workshop on inter- and trans-disciplinary tool for urban sustainability education.
The problem we have today is that we don't have time. We're running out of time, and I think it's nice to gather together and share experiences of what other people is doing. I think we need to start doing and maybe stop talking. And sustainability for me is the only way to approach education today.
The idea behind this is that, of course, ideas matter and ideas shape futures. We need to decolonize ourselves from some of the foundations that we believe in, that we have considered essential, and we need to add new ways of doing, new ways of knowing.
There is a way of going beyond, inviting colleagues and merging different disciplines, and start really to reframing the way we teach, the way we aim, and bridging the theory practices inside university with external stakeholders, civil society, for an urban transition.
An idea that was central to that workshop is that using the diversity of participants, we could do some co-creation activities that were beyond the normal work of universities, where they only meet academics and disciplines together.
Cities are really important, and they're the way of the future. We know that over 50% of the world's population now lives in cities, so we have to figure out how we live better together and in sustainable ways and in harmony with the environment.
And the digital revolution is progressing with such numbers that our educational system is really too slow.
Workshops like this, bringing multiple people from multiple countries, enables us to share and to network, because we really have a sense of urgency about how we move forward, and we can't afford to just simply keep on waiting for these things to happen. As academics, as social scientists in particular, it's our duty to push the agenda forward in terms of addressing or contributing to addressing the serious issues of our time.